Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Yasser. I know today is not Thursday, it is Friday, but I swear I totally forgot about Thursday. We have a new baby cousin and we've been all so absorbed with him that it's just like, I swear I forgot it was Thursday. So today's Friday, happy weekend coming up. So let's get into this video. I hope you enjoy it and I hope you like it as well. If you're not new to the channel, you already know that I'm doing 2 months of crochet where I'm uploading a crochet video each week. This is the style that I uploaded last week, and today we'll be doing the GOGO curl, Zury GOGO curl. If you want to watch this video, I'm going to leave it linked down below in the description bar. By the way, if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, what are you waiting for? Subscribe so you don't miss out on any videos. So as you know, the Zury curl, it comes like this in this package, and it has basically 8, 9 and 10 inches bundles. So just to give it a little bit of a break, next week I'm going to upload a whole video. I basically bought like 22 tops for like $112, and I really want to share that with you guys. I think it's like, I don't know, it's a very good deal, and I'm going to Kenya, so I just wanted to shop like sort of like summer tops. So I'm going to have that haul for you next week on Thursday. So these are the bundles it comes in. You can use any crochet cap that you want to or that you like using. This is basically the one that I like using. And as you can see, I'm just going to start crocheting. I usually, like for this hair, I divided it into 3 because it comes in like little bundles, and I divided it into 3 sections for each one. I wouldn't recommend going over like dividing over 4 times. I think actually 3 times is a good way, and it just gives the hair like time for it. Like when it's getting older, it's just less muddy. Is that a word? I think so. Yeah, it's less matted or less frizzy. So as you can see, crochet is not that hard. As this is like with 2 bundles in, I still have the longest bundle. So the last video I actually did like the longest bundle first, then the second one, and the third one. But in this one, I actually started with the shortest bundle. That's why the hair sort of looks a little bit different. If you can see the layout for this one and the last crochet video that I uploaded. The crocheting is really easy and it's so convenient, and I love creating these wigs. So by the way guys, when you get to the top, like for the whole last bundle, I made sure that I crocheted them so close together, as you can see, just because I didn't want like any gaps to be showing when I'm wearing the hair. But on the back side, honestly, like I would space it out just to avoid having a lot of hair. I actually had some hair left out. I think probably like about 5 pieces of hair left out that I did not use. So let us just get to put on this wig and show you guys how it looks like. Like I absolutely love this crochet wig. Look at it, it looks so good. I love it. Let me know what you think in the comment section about like this style versus the other curl that I had uploaded before. I love this hair. Like look at the curl, look at it, looks actually really quite natural. Guys, by the way, like it's a little bit frizzy. If you want to tame the frizz, again, you can go in with some mousse and it's going to help you tame the frizz. But I like this look. Like I like sort of like a little bit of a frizzy look going on, and that's why I didn't apply any mousse. But you can go on ahead and apply any mousse that you want to. I recommend the Lotta Body mousse or any that you can find at a drugstore, honestly. So as you can see, you can also wear this as a side part. I personally didn't very much like the side part. You let me know what you think. You like the side part or the middle part better? I don't know. I didn't like the side part a lot, just because like one side looked like it had like the hair was too long compared to the other side. So I wasn't kind of feeling it that much, but I'd still wear it. Oh my god, I'm running out of breath, but I'd still wear it. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe as well to the channel. I'll be uploading a whole video next week, and now I'll just get into my dancing, so enjoy. Have a nice weekend, guys.